we all know it takes 9 months to make a new human, and that's why I chose 9 months for the amount of time I wanted to break away from alcohol. And I'm doing the same thing this year with cigarettes, and I'm going into my third trimester. I'm over 6 months free of cigarettes. I picked it back up once my dad died, and it happens. And then, so a year just seems too daunting, and 9 months symbolically just seemed like a good fit for me. And 3 months is too quick. It's not enough time to give your mind and your body the break it needs for change. 6 months, you're just starting to get into a rhythm, and it's also too soon, in my opinion. But that time between 6 and 9 months, that's where it's at.